I thought about the challenge of creating a formula for peace using science, religion, and philosophy. This event, everyone here has a role to play in this new world that we are working and creating as we speak. If we are to reach real peace in the world, and if we are to carry on a real war against war, we shall have to begin with the children. And humanity has always oscillated between periods of peace and war, conflict, cooperation, and where the good and the evil were always present. Each of us have a responsibility, and peace is a continuous work. And education and the way we take technology into our daily lives, because we are all using it, but making it a tool for the betterment of humanity.